guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a PR unboxing and haul. I do these every single Friday here on my channel, so if you're new to it, basically what I do is I save up all my packages from the week and then I open them on camera with you guys. I swatch things and we go through some of the new makeup launches. If you guys are ready to see what I got in PR this week, go ahead and keep on watching. This first package right here, I actually just got right before I started filming this, and I am not sure who it is from. So this is actually from Buxom, and it is packed, let me show you guys, with products. There's so much stuff in here, so let's go ahead and start pulling it out. The first thing I have here is a bronzer from them, and this is what the shade looks like. Next in here, what is this? So this is a Plump and Define built-in brush and contouring lip liner. And this is in a red shade. It's called Intrigue. That one's really pretty. And then we have another one of those. This one is in Incognito. Here's what that one looks like. I'll open some of these here in a second. I kind of just want to dig everything out. We have a few more of those lip liners in Hush Hush and Undercover. Oh my gosh, there's even more. So two more. We have Coral Red and then Dolly Danger. That one looks really pretty. It's like a mauve shade. Next up, we have an empty customizable eyeshadow palette, which is awesome because I actually have some Buxom shadows that I don't have in a compact, so this will be awesome because I can put those in there finally. We have another one of those lip liners. This one is in White Russian, and then what do we have next? This one is a waterproof eyeliner in Call Me, so like a black waterproof eyeliner. Oh my gosh, there's so much stuff in here. The next thing we have is an illuminator, and this one is a Divine Goddess Illuminator. This one is in Venus, which I actually already own this one, so I can put that in a giveaway for you guys. Next in here we have their mascara. So we have a full-on lip cream. This one is in White Russian. I'm so excited to have this finally. I've actually never tried White Russian. I know this is like everyone's favorite. So here's what it looks like. I actually just swatched this when I was in Sephora, and I was saying that I was gonna get it at the VIB sale. So that's so awesome that I got sent it because I'm really, really excited. I've wanted that for so long. So next in here, we have a full-on lip polish in Dolly, which if you guys watched my Sephora VIB sale recommendations, this was the lip product I put in there. Also was saying that mine was almost empty, so I have a restock. It's my favorite lip gloss like ever of all time. We have another one of the full-on lip creams. This one is in Moscow Mule. And then we have Rose Julep, another one of the full-on lip polishes. We have this next one here, which is in Sugar, and I've also heard a lot of people talk about this shade right here. There's what Sugar looks like. So excited about these, you guys. You don't even know. These are like my favorite lip gloss formula. We also have Brandy in here, Samantha. We also have Claire, and then we have Hot Toddy. Ooh, what's this one look like? There's what Hot Toddy looks like. That one's really cute too. And then we have one last one here. This is Dolly again. I have 2 Dollys. That makes me so happy. I am so overwhelmed. There were so many products in this package from Buxom. I truly, truly appreciate it. I love their products so much, so to get this generous of a package from them is awesome. So thank you guys so much. I'm so excited about all these lippies. You guys don't even know. So I just opened the next package here, and this is from Kai Cosmetics. I believe is how you say it, C-A-I Cosmetics. And it says here that they are excited for me to try their all new glitter collection. Okay, this is really cool. So we have some Halloween kits. So this is the Skull Girl. It says Halloween Hottie kits are available at fashionnova.com. So that's awesome. So you can get their products at Fashion Nova. So this is the Halloween Hottie Volume 5. And here's what this looks like on the inside. So basically everything you need to create a Skull Girl makeup. So there's like the cover of that. And then we have everything on the inside here. I feel like everything that's sold like makeup wise on Fashion Nova is always like really affordable. So I bet these kits are pretty affordable. And then we also have in here, it looks like a giant trunk. Like one of those little makeup boxes. This is really nice. This is so cute. So it says, when in doubt, just add glitter on the mirror here. And it looks like there are a bunch of different products in here. So this first one is in All That Glistens. This is a face and body jewel. So here's what that looks like. That would be really pretty for like a mermaid look. We also have the All That Glitters Hair and Body Glitter. Ooh, this is pretty. It's like a gel consistency glitter. I don't know if you guys can tell, but if you look like really closely, it has like stars and moons in there. I am really excited because this brand is a brand that I haven't heard of before, and this came at like a perfect time because I'm still trying to decide what I want to do for like Halloween makeup and tutorials. Ooh, we got some lashes in here too. Okay, so we have the All That Glitters. These are the rose gold lashes. Look at how fun those are. And then we also have a silver pair as well. And then we have a couple more glittery things in here. So we have the body glitter. That looks really fun. So here's one of the body glitters. Let me open this. Oh, it's actually one of those roll-ons. You guys remember these? This reminds me like of my childhood because I used to use these all the time when I was younger. I would go to my friend's house. So here's what it looks like rolled out. Those are fun. I haven't had one of these in forever. All right, so we have a couple different lip glosses. Look at the packaging on these. These are really pretty. They have like a glitter top. And then here's what both of those look like, a purple shade and then also a silver shade. And then we have a couple other glitters. Ooh, these are nail polishes. These are pretty. So we have a gold one and then also a rose gold pink one. Look at how pretty those are. Those are gonna be fun. Maybe I'll do my nails like a special sparkle for Halloween. It looks like they have little stars and moons in there as well. This is cute. And then the last thing in this little trunk of treats here is the All That Glitters Deluxe Glitter Eyeshadow Collection. So here's what that looks like. This looks like it's gonna be like a pressed glitter palette. Oh, this is pretty, look at this. I can't wait to play with this. Okay, let's swatch a couple of the colors. I know that with glitters, they get like super messy. So I just know that these are going to be all over my room for a minute, but I'm going to try them out anyways. So I love glitter palettes because anytime you want like to get a glitter, you don't have to reach in and get like a loose glitter. You can just grab these. Looks like they have a little bit of stick to them, but I didn't swatch them very good. There's what they look like. Let me go ahead and try to swatch them a little bit better. All right, so this time I picked up a little bit more with these two right here, and I'm going to swatch them so we can get like a better idea. They're still kind of swatching like a little bit patchy there, probably because they are just like a loose glitter, but there's what they look like on the bottom. So I'll be curious to try these out. They definitely have like a little bit of adhesive to them, so they should stick really nicely on the eyes. And this is going to be really fun. I can't wait to create another Halloween look. Maybe I'll do like a fairy or a mermaid with all this stuff because this is really awesome. Thank you so much to Kai Cosmetics. This was an awesome package. All right, this next little package came over from Bliss. Okay, so it says, you're invited. Your selfie is requested at our first ever Bliss Halloween masking party. Ooh, so we got some Hallow masks. So we have the holographic foil eye masks. Here's what that looks like. The packaging on these is so fun and hollow. Look at that. Ooh, okay, and then we have the holographic foil sheet mask. This is the detoxifier. It says it purifies with charcoal powder. So there is that one. And the last one is the hangover fix. It replenishes with electrolytes, which is perfect for Halloween if you're having like a Halloween party and you need to go ahead and revamp. And it looks like they have like little stars for the cutout for the eyes, which is so fun. Here's the picture of the girl with it on. And it really looks like it's gonna be like a holographic fun mask. I'll definitely have to do like an Instagram video with these because you guys love when I do like fun masks on Instagram. So I'll have to try these out. Thank you so much to Bliss. I'm like intrigued by these because the packaging is so cute. So thank you guys so much for sending this over to me. So next up in here, we got some more skincare goodies. This one is from QUEBELLA, and we got some new, it looks like some new masks from them. So this is their Party Prep 3 mask gift set. So it says Prep, Recover, and Detoxify. So I think they sent over 2 of the same one. QUEBELLA has some really affordable masks that are really nice on the skin. They also have some really nice eye patches that are super affordable. So here's what the kit looks like, and you get 3 different things in here. So you do get the moisturizing gel eye mask, the one I was talking about. You get the Radiance Boost. This is a shimmering cream mask. I've tried this one. I've actually tried all 3 of these. And then then we have the Detoxifying Charcoal Black Peel Off Mask, which is another good one from them. So these are just like a set that comes with the 3 different ones, probably like a holiday set. So that's really cool. Thank you so much, QUEBELLA, for sending these to me. I'll probably put these in a giveaway because I already own all 3 of these for you guys, so I can put these into my holiday giveaway for you. All right, so this next package I actually already snuck and opened, but I haven't swatched anything yet, so I'm excited to swatch everything. So this came over from Wonder Beauty, and they actually sent over this super cute shirt in here as well. So here's what it looks like. It says off duty, and then on the back it says #WonderBeauty. And this looks like it's gonna be really cozy. I'm just gonna live in this in the wintertime because it's one of those like fleece sweatshirts. And I'm excited to put this on because I love it anytime brands send over clothes because I always just like live in them. But I want to show you guys the new palettes that they have that they came out with. So first off, they are expanding their baggage claim eye masks, and they actually have them in rose gold now. So instead of like the gold ones, they're going to be rose gold. And I love these. They're super hydrating on the skin and really easy to just pop on really quickly. So I got 3 of those, and then they have 2 new eyeshadow palettes that they released. So we have the Off Duty eyeshadow palette, and then also the Chill palette. And the packaging on these, again, is really, really cute. So I'll show you guys the Off Duty one first. They have 6 different shadows inside each of them, and a nice little mirror there as well. So here is what the Off Duty one looks like. And then I'll show you guys the Chill one, which is this one here. And then I'll go ahead and swatch them because I haven't got to swatch them yet. That one's really fun. It kind of looks like a very cool toned palette. So let's go ahead and swatch these. So these first 6 swatches is from the Chill palette. You can still see the glitter all over my hands, but here's what those look like swatched. They look really, really pretty. And then here are the 6 swatches from the Off Duty palette. That one looks so nice for fall. Let me know if you guys want to see me using these in a first impressions, or you want to see a dedicated video with these. I could definitely do that for you. I always look in the comments of these PR hauls to see what products you guys mostly want to see in my first impressions. That's what I base off, like what I use in the first impressions. So make sure to comment down below and let me know what products you guys would like to see me try out in a first impressions, or also a dedicated review. I can always do those as well. So next up, we have a package that came into my P.O. box, and I'm not sure who this one is from. So this is from XoXo Cosmetics, and this is super cute. This is from Brandy, and she put little Hasbro, like little gummies on here and said, "This is for your sweet tooth." She must have known I like it when brands send me candy because that was very sweet of her. My husband's probably going to get those because those are his favorites. But let me show you guys the products that are inside of here. So first, it looks like we have a palette. So let me open this one up. So this is the Ritzy palette, and ooh, this is pretty. I wasn't sure if this was like a face palette or an eyeshadow palette, but it is an eyeshadow palette. It also has a nice mirror in here. So we have some foil shades, it looks like, and also some mattes. So let me go ahead and swatch a few of these. Holy pigment. Here's what the swatches of the foiled shades look like. I'm going to swatch a couple of those first. Oh my gosh, these are beautiful. Wow, look at how foiled that silver is. These are absolutely stunning. I'm surprised at how pigmented those were. I wasn't expecting that. Those are beautiful. And let me go ahead and swatch a few of the matte shades as well. I feel like the colors in this palette are very different. Like it has that orange and then also the red, the blue. So I'm going to swatch the blue. These mattes feel really nice too. And I'm going to swatch the brown and the red. And heck, we might as well swatch the orange. So I'm going to swatch them all. So let me go ahead. Wow, these are really pigmented. Look at that. I'm really excited to try out this palette. This looks really nice. Again, this is the Ritzy palette from XoXo Cosmetics. And then it also looks like we have some lippies in here. Let me wipe these off. Okay, and then now on to the lippies. So we have 3 different matte liquid lipsticks. The packaging is cute on these. It just says XoXo Cosmetics. So we have 3 different shades. So the first one is Rio, which is like a fuchsia pink purple shade. And then we also have, this one is called Stiletto, which is like a red. Let me swatch this one and see what it looks like. Here's the applicator on it. Ooh, these look like they'll be like a nice satiny matte. I love it when they apply nice and smooth like that. So here's a swatch of Stiletto. It's a really pretty red. And then this one is called Nudist. I'm gonna swatch this one as well. Ooh, that one looks pretty. This one kind of feels a little bit different than the last one. It seems like a little bit more hydrating. So there are both of those swatched. I'm not going to swatch the fuchsia one. I don't know, because I don't know if I'll wear this shade. But these ones are really, really pretty. Thank you so much to XoXo Cosmetics and to Brandy. That palette was absolutely beautiful, and also these lipsticks look really promising. So this is a new brand to try out. I love trying out new indie brands, so thank you very much for sending these to me. Okay, so we just have a few more packages I want to get through here. This next one came over from Lancome and also Octoly. If you guys don't know what Octoly is, it is basically a site where you guys can sign up to review products. It is for creators to be able to try out different products from different brands. So this one came up in my free store and I had to get it because I really love Lancome, and this is an awesome, awesome package. So the first thing in here is their bifacial. This is their eye makeup remover. I actually just ran out of mine, so when I saw this pop up, I was like, I'm gonna need that because this is my favorite ever to remove my eye makeup. And then this is supposed to be like a Halloween set, so there is a ton of other products in here. So these are their big color lash top coats. And these there's a bunch of different colors. So there's a green one, a blue one, a pink one, and a gold one. Here's what those look like. And I'm not sure what these are, if they're just like a mascara or what. So let me pull one out so we can see. Okay, so it says that they are a big lash top coat. So I'm assuming like they would go right on top of your mascara. So here's what it looks like. This is gonna be fun. I bet that would be really cool to just kind of give you like a something extra on your mascara. I'm gonna have to try these out. I'm kind of interested in the gold one as well. I bet that would be really pretty. And then we also have in here two different eyeliners. So we have a black one. Here's what that one looks like. And then inside this one, there is a white one. So these will be perfect to like draw on a skull or something, like if you're doing a Halloween look for a skull, or also just to pop in the waterline. And then the last thing in here is the Grandos liner. So this is a liquid eyeliner. I've actually never tried that one. So this is a really awesome package from Lancome. Some perfect goodies to do some Halloween looks with. So thank you so much to Octoly and Lancome for sending this to me. All right, so this next one says it's from BoxyCharm, so I'm not exactly sure. It says, "Hi love, this month's BoxyCharm is delighted to be partnering with Dr. Brandt on their Say I Love You campaign." So it says, "Thank you for spreading suicide prevention awareness." Okay, so this one is the Say I Love You Dr. Brandt Microabrasion Age Defining Exfoliator. It says that it is limited edition. And I've never tried this before. So it says that Dr. Brandt Foundation has dedicated to raising awareness and advocating for individuals struggling with mental health in the community. And this package, you will find the Dr. Brandt Microabrasion Age Defining Exfoliator. It gently polishes the skin and refines its surface texture, smoothing away all fine lines. This will be nice to try out. So it says to join the campaign, post a heart on your Instagram feed or story, tag Dr. Brandt and those that you love. Use the hashtag Say I Love You. That is really nice. So thank you so much to Dr. Brandt and BoxyCharm. I'll have to give this one a try and make sure that I participate in the campaign. That's really awesome that they are bringing awareness to mental health and suicide prevention. That is really, really cool. Okay, moving on to the very last package here. This one came over from MARCEL. And it says, introducing our new luxurious liner. This is a waterproof liquid eyeliner. It says no smudging, pulling, or mess ever. So here's what it looks like. So this is from MARCEL. They have the best packaging, I swear. And let's see. Ooh, yes, very sleek. Look at the packaging. So, so pretty. So let me go ahead and swatch this. I've actually been wanting to get a new eyeliner pen, wholly pigmented. Oh my gosh, you guys. Look at that. Look at how black those lines are. This is gonna be nice. I'm excited to try this out. Definitely create wings with this. You could also work, like I like to put liner right on my lash bands. It just helps, and I feel like this is really fine to where I could go like right on there. So I'm excited to try this out, and it says that it's waterproof, super easy to apply, flawless results, cruelty-free, long-lasting, and high pigment color. So thank you so much to MARCEL for sending over your new launch. And after that, that is going to do it for this week's PR unboxing and haul. I really enjoyed opening these packages with you. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing some of the products that I got. Again, let me know what items you guys want to see in tutorials, first impressions, reviews down in the comment section. Thank you so much to all of the brands who sent over these products to me. And thank you to you guys for making these videos possible. I wouldn't get any of these opportunities without you guys. And I truly, truly, I just can't thank you enough. It just means everything to me. So thank you guys so much. I will see you in my next video. Do not forget to like this video if you enjoyed it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you guys go. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, friends.